Dígait agus fáilte arás. Let's see if you know the Irish word for the following pictures. Let's get started. A football, or American football. Runners, or trainers. Meat, specifically red meat. A mobile phone. And a diploma or certificate. So let's look at the first one. Football. The Irish word for football is pel, or more specifically the actual ball that you play football with could be a lítheróid. But the picture looks like an American football, so that would be pel very connacht. Pel very connacht. The next picture then was a picture of runners or trainers. So the Irish word for runners would be bróga ratha. Bróga ratha. And for trainers, bróga traenála. Bróga traenála. Next we had a picture of meat. The Irish word for meat is fiol. Fiol. And specifically red meat, fiol gaeilge. Fiol gaeilge. Mar hampla steig. For example, steak. And then there was this picture here of a mobile phone. A very popular device nowadays, of course. Phone póca is the word as gaeilge for a mobile phone. Phone póca. And you could also use gahan póca. Gahan póca. Another phrase or word for a mobile phone. Next we had this here, which looks like a diploma, which sounds very similar in Irish, diploma. Chastis is certificate, chastis. And came is the Irish word for a degree, as in a qualification, a degree, came. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video on guessing the word as gaeilge. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And feicigh mé a rísú. Feicigh mé a rísú. I will see you again.